Welcome back. It's time to reconnect and relax away from home in the scenic Bay Area.
Your health and wellness are our top priority, and you're always welcomed with a Strata smile, from a safe distance, of course.
Our team is trained to provide a safe check-in and check-out experience for you. All our front desk equipment is sanitized after every touch. It's these details that make all the difference. Our rooms and suites have air purifiers and are cleaned and sanitized every day. Rest easy. You're safe with us. Everything is back with a few changes, from our complimentary breakfast to our outdoor patio. Start your mornings with free grab-and-go breakfast bags. Recharge in our fitness center, frequently cleaned and sanitized with Precor equipment spaced safely apart. 6 feet away, but always right here for you when you return. Experience the Strata care.